In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to operate the iHealth Neo wireless blood pressure monitor, and you can get this off of Amazon, link in the comment section. But it's fairly simple to do, and I like using these wireless as a standalone version. So yes, of course you can hook them up to Bluetooth in your smartphone or whatever, but I do not usually use that. I just use it as a standalone version because I like the way they're made. So the only thing you have to do, of course, is slip it in on your left hand. And you want the iHealth to be facing you up, and just think of red symbolizes heart. So the red up goes up towards your heart and your head, and the blue goes down towards your hand. So of course you just put it on and you strap it in. Go ahead and strap it in for me. Here, I'll help you. And of course you want it as tight as you can, snug fit. And you preferably want it on the upper left arm and not on the lower, but if you have to, you have to. All right, so again, you see the directions of it, and you got two buttons here on the side. So you got the M, which means measurements, and then this is the start button. So if you hit the M button here, this is where it shows like your previous, if you keep pushing it, it'll show your previous readings. If you just keep pressing it. And then the start, of course, is obvious that it will start. Now you might ask how to charge it. So down below here is the port that this comes off like here. This just comes off, and it uses a micro USB. So not like the USB-Cs with modern day. It uses like the old Samsung Galaxy one, which is the to charge it is the micro. And then as it's charging, you'll see a battery light. As it's charging, it'll blink, and when it's fully charged, it'll stay solid. It'll be like a little white battery when you plug it in. Of course, you can plug it into your computer or to a wall outlet, but if it's not working for whatever reason, that would be the reason it just needs charging. And of course, the only thing you have to do is just press this button that says start here on the side. Let's go ahead and check her blood pressure, and of course it'll read upside down from where I'm at. But I do like these blood pressure monitors because, as opposed to the a lot of the Armorons where it's like separate, I like these because they are portable, they're easy to travel with, and I just like it to where it'll read directly on your arm. Now I did have a Withings BP blood pressure monitor that looks just like that one. But I went through two of them, and then they started getting the error message on it, the 301, the 201 error messages, and they not too happy. I mean, they're good monitors when they work, but eventually they wear out, and of course, everything wears out, but you know what I'm saying. So as it's reading, it takes a while. Of course, it's tightening on your arm, and that's her blood pressure. It's 113/79, which is good. And then the second number, of course, is the pulse rate, which hers is 58. And what that means, of course, is how many beats per minute her heart is pumping. And that's how you use it. And then, of course, if you just want to get a second reading, you just press it again. Just hit that again. Hit it twice, and then it'll start reading again. All right. So, link in the comment section where you can get the iHealth Neo blood pressure monitor. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.